Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share another ATC for another challenge. It is for Victoria Martin. That's her channel. I'll have her link down below. She is doing a Road to 200 subscribers challenge over at her channel, and she's way past 200. I'm so glad that she was able to get to her goal. So she's asking for an ATC, and so I made her this card with, this is a pre-made card from, I think it's Hobby Lobby, yeah, Paper Studio. I just love the background, and then this is an ephemera piece from Hobby Lobby as well. I added Best Day Ever. I just love this flower. And then I did a finger bow, and that is her card that I made. And then here is her ATC. I've already put it in the wrapping. I hope it's not too much of a glare. Oh, let me take it out. I have my information on the back for her. So here is her ATC. I used a book page in the background. This is a piece of scrap from my bag of paper scraps. This is an ephemera piece from Hobby Lobby. Also, this is, I think this is a moth. It's not a butterfly, it's a moth, but it coordinated with this little stamp. It's like, it says 35 cents right there. And then I used a pink flower from Dollar Tree, and then these are little flat back pearlescent pearls in pink, and this is a white one. And then I used some Dollar Tree. I love this lace. I love using this lace on my projects. I ink the edges with vintage photo, walnut stain, and black soot, so it kind of looks like a burnt edge. I love how that looks. This is part of the paper. This is another piece of the Dollar Tree words that I've hoarded for so long. I added another flat back pearl. Isn't that pretty? I just love how this turned out. It kind of coordinates with the card that I made her. I also packaged up some goodies for her in this little bag. So yeah, this is for Virginia? Oh my gosh. Yes, Virginia Martin. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.